Swimmers will do freestyle independently for about 15 yards without a board in this skill. Most of the same teaching cues and reminders from earlier progressions still apply, but your focus shifts toward helping them carry those skills over into a full stroke without support. Begin by demonstrating the skill. Show swimmers how to push off the wall and swim freestyle, taking a breath every other stroke until they reach about 15 yards. During your demo, emphasize a steady kick and a consistent breathing rhythm so they can see what the skill should look like. After demonstrating, provide hands-on guidance. Position yourself beside the swimmer, and if needed, gently place your hands on each side of their head to guide them into the correct position during the breath. Use clear verbal reinforcement at the same time so they connect the physical adjustment with the correct cue. Key teaching reminders include keeping the ear close to the shoulder while rotating for a breath, returning the eyes downward into the water as the recovering arm comes forward, and making sure each breath lasts no more than 1 to 2 seconds. A common error you'll see is swimmers dropping their lead arm while breathing, which causes their face to sink and disrupts body alignment. To correct this, stand in front of the swimmer and have them place their lead hand gently on yours at the surface as they rotate to breathe. This reinforces holding that lead arm forward through the breath.